I've been left. My friend. You can't call him a friend because we don't actually like each other. We're just like there because we both don't have any friends. So we both just like bond over the fact that we're both lonely. I don't know if you can hear me right now. But yeah, we both hate each other and we both agreed we're never going to speak to each other. God, my skin looks horrible. We both agreed we're never going to speak to each other after this semester. What the fuck does semester mean? But he just said I walk like a giraffe, so I told him the truth. I've been holding back for ages that he walks like a buff penguin who shat themselves. Which is ironic because he makes fun of everyone for walking like they shit themselves. I also realised that I have to present my piece of music to the class, and so I'm not adding vocals anymore. I'm deleting that, and I'm gonna pretend I didn't have time. I actually didn't have time, so I didn't even write all the lyrics. But I recorded the chorus, but I'm gonna delete it for two reasons. I won't have time to record verses, and I won't have time to write verses, and also I don't want to present it that way. But then we're fine, guys. We're fine. I can rest and make my banging new music, which will be out soon. Just stared for hours at comics in H&B, and now I'm going to do it again, but in different stores. Stores? It's so awkward doing it while it's walking. I used to be obsessed with Star Wars, and now I've got back into it, and the new movie comes out tomorrow, so that better be good. But I'm trying to look for Legends comics, because like, I kind of just, you know, want to read some good stuff, because I don't know anything about Legends, but I do. I know that's great. I can't find any. They had Adopt Me toys though. Okay. Oh, Waterstones didn't have much. Waterstones didn't have much either. So now I'm gonna cry and sit. Oh god, I've got a wrap. I just struck through these streets taking my wrap on a walk. I'm forced to. I have to like pay with like free money the college gives me. But yeah, she let me have loads of stuff. So now I got a wrap and barbecue hula hoops, and I'm not going to show you because they're probably bursting in my pocket right now. Anyway, so I kind of left. I've got like one more lesson, but like I'm not going to go because like it's like you have to like presentate. I think the teacher will presentate it for you, but like they're going to hear our music, right? I haven't even got vocals on it, so I don't know what I'm worried about. But it's just scary, you get me? Anyway, so the tea is that my friend is really annoying because he doesn't shut up, and he's really sensitive as well. Like he gets like really, like he says something mean to you and you say something back, and he gets like real angry for the rest of the whole day, and he's really mean, and then he wonders why you're mean to him. But then like he doesn't like go like, oh yeah, I'm sorry. He just like says that I'm the one being mean to him originally. I just think true, my hair's really annoying. Alright, let's try this for it. Oh, it's split in two, and I can't use my hands to touch it or whatever, bro. I'm gonna have to use hand sanitizer and then fucking. Oh, this is right. Okay, I'm gonna get my phone. My phone makes my acne look so bad. Like it's bad, but not that bad. Yay, I'm gonna have to touch it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh god, this is gonna give me pain. Oh bro, touching something after I just touched all those keyboards, man. Right, so it's a chicken wrap, bro. That's so fucking good. Oh my god, it's got cucumber. My lord and saviour, cucumber. And mayonnaise. Best things in the world, mayonnaise and cucumber. I'd have your cucumber, okay.